Hey folks, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the famous Labubu doll. You might have heard it or seen it on your Instagram reels or TikTok, whatever is applicable in your country. So you must have seen it, and I've also seen it, so I just wanted to unbox it on my channel and see what really the hype is. So let's go into the unboxing. So finally let's unbox this doll. So I got it from Flipkart. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, this is the doll that from Pop Mart that has actually gotten huge, that has gotten very popular. So I think let's look at it, that what's exactly in this, that it's getting bidded at like $1 million. So I bought it for 472 rupees, basically Indian rupees. So let's open it up and see if it's worth the hype. Let's also see the cost on it. Okay, so it's written Pop Mart. I can't see the price anywhere. Age 8 plus and not. There's no price written on it, I guess. And it's a Chinese product, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a random product. I don't know the color. You can get any color. So let's open it. The condition of packaging is slightly bad. So this is what gift voucher and whatnot. So this is a seed. So I think this is something that random. So let's open it up. Let's remove the junk. Okay, the packets look very cheap, not gonna lie to you. So we have the time of revelation. Okay, so this is the product. Let me remove this. Okay, there's a ring over it. So this is the product that I received. This is worth millions of dollars apparently. I mean, getting bidded at least. And the eyes are closed, and this is a ring. I think you can use this, and this is supposed to go here, and you can use it as a ring. So to be honest, the size of the doll is very small, and I really don't know what's great about it. Okay, it looks small and it might be cute in a creepy way, but not really. I really don't know exactly why is it so hype. So yeah. Okay, so finally we can see this is a doll, and so I did not know this, but this actually rotates also like 360 degrees. I just discovered this, and I'll not say cute really in a cute way, maybe a creepy cute if someone is into that, I don't know. And okay, it's a different kind of doll for sure. Like I've never seen this type of doll before, which is kind of scary or whatever. So I think this is okay. The fur is actually very soft, and these type of fur are usually in a high quality material. So this feels soft. This comes in a palm of hand, maybe that's why it's cute. And since it's trendy, it's going to be cute. People are used to it. Whatever it's trendy, it's supposed to be cute, even if they don't feel like. But yeah, I'll give it a 6 out of 10 for cuteness, and out of 100, since it's very soft, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. So I like this feature, not gonna lie. This is great. And you can also use this as a keychain or something, like you can carry in your bag. You must have seen it somewhere. So yeah, this is a great doll I got. I really like the color, to be honest, and it is creepy. And if I press it, I think there's inside cotton is there. So yeah, that's how I just wanted to unbox this and see what's the real hype. So if you want, you can get it. Don't spend too much on it, but if you're getting it for like 400 to 500 rupees, it's absolutely okay. I'll not pay even more than 400 is, to be honest, on a high side. Up to 400, since it's trendy, you can pay it, not more than that. There's no need to it. You need not buy it if it's pushing your pockets. So if it's under your budget, go for it, since it's trendy and it does look good up to a point. And yeah, so that's my take on this Labubu doll that has been going on in the internet and has been a sensation on the internet. It's from Pop Mart. So thank you for watching my video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching the video.